Hello fam, welcome back to our channel. Ever since the Olu incident that's between in the Eastern Security Network and the Nigerian Army, a lot of persons have criticized it. And more often than not, people from the southwestern part, spoke extensively, probably even against it more often. But this time around, the Igbos, one of the top apex groups in in the Igbo community, have decided to open up and speak boldly. They spoke their mind. And before we go into the newspaper to find out what it is they are berating and even calling Hope Uzodinma over, and even the Southeasterners generally, would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the World Igbo Congress, that's WIC, has expressed worry over Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State's hatred for the Eastern Security Network, otherwise known as ESN. But the group said has been helping to checkmate the menace of killer herdsmen in the Southeast Zone. WIC said it was confused on Uzodinma's action given his Zamfara state counterpart's visit and dialogue with bandits that have been killing innocent people in the northern region, unlike the ESN that protects lives of Igbo. In a statement on Thursday, WIC spokesman Honorable Basil Onwukuya said the group condemned the recent military attack in Imo State that claimed the lives of innocent citizens and members of Eastern Security Network. Well, Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, actually said nobody died though. There's a video to that effect. If you doubt it, go to our playlist, politics. You will see where he opened his mouth in a video and said nobody was killed. Let's continue. It's not me that said it, is him. Let's continue. It is unfortunate to watch Governor Hope Uzodinma admit ordering the military airstrike on Imo youth who were volunteering to monitor against the killing and raping by Fulani herdsmen. The governor of Zamfara recently visited and openly took a photo with hordes of bandits and militants in his area. The other northern leaders have made numerous ransom payments to kidnappers, including redemption offers and conversion into national security apparatus. The federal government has been encouraging Governor Hope Uzodinma to govern by intimidation and vindictive, destructive mission against Igbo youths. What exactly has the ESN done that makes them terrorists or criminals that the Nigerian military has turned Olu into a war zone? The killing of Imo State indigents and ESN volunteers that withstood herdsmen is unwarranted, WIC said. That's what Igbo Congress said. The group noted that it was a height of irony that whereas President Muhammadu Buhari's defense minister recently admonished Nigerians to stand their ground and face bandits and killer herdsmen, the same Buhari administration permitted the use of helicopters and artillery against her citizens as requested by Governor Hope Uzodinma to kill the people working to stop the killers. World Igbo Congress is therefore calling on the international community to investigate the heinous acts perpetuated by the governor of Imo State, the rationale that brought the governor into power from a distant fourth position, and as a matter of urgency, place movement restriction on the government officials involved, WIC suggested. Hey, Ebelebe. Obelebe. It has happened. Don't forget that some days ago, the son-in-law of Rogers Okorocha, talking about Uche Nwosu, has actually started filing a suit to that effect, where he wants to get back the mandate and give it. He wants the mandate be retrieved from Hope Uzodinma, the present governor of Imo State, and be given back to Emeka Ihedioha, the PDP candidate. By technicalities, permutations, reactions here and there, they have the opinion that actually the mandate of governorship belongs to Emeka Ihedioha. Now, it's not at WIC, the World Igbo Congress, is not stopping at retrieving the mandate away from him. They are also looking at him being investigated rather, him being investigated for heinous crimes. Little wonder. One wonders, why would anyone do that? Look at the northern. Look, sometimes we look at the environment we find ourselves in and we adapt. All right. I think the most common thing about man is the ability to adapt to environment. You respond to stimulus, look around you, respond to what your environment is giving to you, and that way you'll be able to adapt. If the northern governors, the northern leaders, northern politicians are even saying that they are not bandits, they are bandits, they are not criminals. Gome even took it to a octave higher, a notch higher by saying, give them nice names. Don't call them bandits. That they are listening to news. When you call them bandits, they feel bad. If you want them to, drop their arms, call them beautiful. Maybe like calling them handsome Fulani men, or you call them. I don't know what he wants us to call. Maybe you call them fine, handsome. I don't know what name, but say give them nice names. But in the southeast, they even Governor Hope Uzodinma, if you check the video, you see it. He moved their name from ESN to militants. And everybody, they keep noticing. These guys are, I'm talking about the Fulani bandits. These guys, they have severally done videos demanding for ransom. ESN have never demanded for ransom before. Whatever they do, they keep all their videos, they are very specific. They say what they want is their forest should be cleared. If the Fulanis want to stay, they should go and rent a place in town. It's not a bad idea. But for whatever reasons, WIC, which is just another arm of Igbo in diaspora, is now calling on him and also calling on the world to listen and watch what is going on. Now, even if you are going to, unlike what happened in Lekki Togate, if you watch, at some point someone said he didn't invite the military. Military said there was so much information tussle here and there, denial, but this one, even if there's any issue to say, okay, let's probe, the military are exonerated, the federal government are also exonerated, because he took full ownership that he actually begged the presidency to release their top intelligence, that because what ESN are doing there, that the local intelligence cannot combat them, they had to look for federal might to be able to, bring them to order. So technically speaking, if we are going to cause any investigation, by virtue of what he has said, he has exonerated the federal government, he has also exonerated the military. It all falls on him. And let's hope that, according to him, he had his own special reasons. He said they are militant and they're disturbing the peace and quiet of the community. Well, that's where we're going to wrap it up. What the Igbo Congress have decided to speak vehemently against this, and they're taking it a step higher to see how the world would actually investigate. They want the governing body to investigate Hope Uzodinma on this matter. Let's